Hello everyone, I'm Neha, your happiness coach. A lot of people had commented in the comment section on a very old video of mine where they wanted a solution on a topic which is, a very common problem that I see in a lot of people today, almost 70 to 80%, which is lethargy. Anything that we do today, we want to begin with and we want to start, we are very lazy. The moment you have something to do that you want to get kick-started with, especially when it comes to your health, when we start thinking about, okay, we need to exercise, we need to walk, we need to do yoga, the first thing that happens is, oh God, how do I get up? How do I manage my work? I'm so busy. I just don't have the time. My dear friends, let me tell you one thing very clearly, that time is something which is same, fixed for everybody. All of us have 24 hours. So if there is a category of people who are able to manage their health, their work, their personal and professional life, same 24 hours even we have, correct? So why aren't we able to do it? So the problem is not about the time. The problem is about the time management that we are doing and the conviction that we have towards in doing something. That's where this whole concept of, lethargy or laziness comes into picture. So let me tell you a perspective of mine on this particular thing. So there is a friend of mine who has been wanting to reduce weight for a very long time. It's been almost about 5-6 years that she's been, saying that, oh, I need to start exercising, oh, I need to start doing, but I cannot do it in the morning because morning I have to set up, get my kids ready, they have to go to school, and after that I have to get into the kitchen, start cooking, and the story goes on. So one day I just sat out with her, and when she was again telling me the same thing for almost like the 20th time, I just told her one thing. That why don't you just start? Just one day. Decide, take that time out. The moment that school is done, between once 8 o'clock you're done with your kids, right? You've packed their lunch, your husband is at work, even he is left, and then you have the time. So if you have to further still more cook, I just gave her an idea that from 8:30 to 9:30, that 1 hour, take a break for yourself, just go out for a walk. Sometimes when you know that you have boundaries, like say for example me, I go for walk every day, but I don't go at 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock in the morning because I know I cannot do it that early. 6 o'clock I need to wake up, I need to do a lot of other work because I have a child to take care and all of that. I go for walking between 8:30 to 9:30. Now if I have to start thinking and saying, no, it gets way too hot in Chennai, it's so sunny, 8:30 becomes too late to walk, there is nothing called as too late or too early. It's just the time that fits you, that suits you. You can at least just start doing it. So the idea is to begin somewhere. So you just need to decide in your head and just put up a timeline and a date for yourself. See, this lethargy, I tell a lot of people who come to me for counseling that is more not a physical problem. It's here. It's all here. So it's more mental because mentally you're sometimes so tired. And what are you doing? Most of us, 80 to 90% of the time, what are we doing when we are not working? Phone in the hand, scrolling. You don't realize how much of time that device ends up taking from you. 45 minutes to an hour just goes like that, scrolling. And then you realize, oh, it's late. So instead of consciously doing that scrolling, you should have taken that time, 45 minutes to an hour, you could have done something productive for your body, where you would have put your mind into something else apart from that phone. So my first suggestion, I'm just going to give you 3 simple quick tips that you can use, that you can try, and let me know really they are workable because I generally give them as a to-do list for everybody who wants to begin something. First thing, just decide on what you want to do. Just say, for example, I said that I go for walk, right? So if you need not do very fun things, go register for pay a hefty gym fee and then start working. I'm not saying that. To begin with, just do it with a simple walk. Maybe walk for half an hour, not even an hour. Start with half an hour walking. Decide that. Decide a time frame for yourself. When during the entire day you are free, even for that 30 minutes, take the time out. Start doing that and just put that time to yourself and make sure that you're doing that. If not that, the third point that I tell them in order to keep yourself physically active. See, the more we are physically active, scientifically proven fact that more physically you are active, automatically your mind works faster and that laziness, that lethargy will reduce. So, simple things you can do. If you're working from home, you have your work table, your workstation, right? Don't keep everything on your table for convenience. That's where you don't even get up from your chair and go walk, do anything, right? Because you're not able to do. So simple things that you can do is don't keep maybe you have a bottle of water, right? Don't keep it on your table. Let that be in the kitchen or in the fridge where every time you're thirsty, you have to like get up from the chair, go have a glass of water, walk and come back to your table. So even you get that time, your eyes get rest, your mind gets that 2 minutes break that you have walked all the way from your room, walked out, gone to the kitchen or gone to the fridge, picked up the bottle, had your water. And even more, the best mantra that I tell everybody is when you want, your physical body to be exercising or doing something when you're working busily, even when you're in the kitchen, a lot of time when they're cooking, they are actually, all of us have our phone like just all close to us all the time, 24/7, right? So keep your most prized possession, your phone, away from you so that you have to walk towards it. And every time you kind of do that, you get to do some bit of exercise. So it's very simple, right? Trust me guys, you might find it silly, but this is for people who find it very difficult even to take out that little time to do a little bit for yourself out of that sheer laziness, lethargy that you have. Try doing these simple fine tunings in your everyday routine and you will have that beginning. I'm just giving you that beginning somewhere. So do give it a try and let me know how it worked for you, whether you were able to move yourself, have that physical fitness done. Start somewhere and I'll be the happiest. Until then, it's me Neha saying